my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have came up with a hairstyle that is inspired by Anushka Sharma from her wedding. She was wearing this hairstyle. Her hairstyle was really simple, all about flowers. So I've came up with that. If you guys are interested to know about the hairstyle, then keep on watching and let's get started with the video.
So these are the DIY flowers that I'm going to use to decorate my bun. These are made of tissue papers because the flower used by Anushka aren't available here, so I've DIY'd them. I'm inserting bobby pins at the back of each flower so that I can tuck these flowers into my bun. The flowers does have some color to it, but the camera isn't picking it up and hence it's looking more whitish, but it has some color. I tried to match it to the color that Anushka was wearing. And for the hairstyle, I'm going for a middle partition as Anushka was having in her hairstyle, and I'm combing my hair really nicely so that I don't have any flying hair all over. Once I'm done combing my hair, I'm going to gather all my hair into a low neat ponytail. Now for the bun, you may go with any bun that you're comfortable with because this is going to be hidden by the flower anyway. So I'm going for the classic bun that I've learned from my mom. For this, you need to make a loop and wrap the hairs around it and pull the wrapped hair through it, and you're gonna achieve this bun really quickly. Now to secure the bun, I am just bobby pinning the hairstyle when needed. I'm using 2 bobby pins because my bun is already tighter and I'm just securing it with 2 bobby pins. Now for the real drill, you need to tug on the flowers into your bun to make it actually look like Anushka Sharma's hairstyle. All you need to do is to tug the flowers into your bun and cover up it really nicely so that you cannot see through, and that is how you're gonna achieve the look of her. The flowers aren't matching to her because her one was really in some peachy color and mine is looking more whitish, and even though it has some color to it, but the camera isn't picking it up as I already told you. Once you're done with tugging all the flowers into your bun, this is how it should look from the back. Just to complete the look, I'm wearing a small bindi with it and a small pair of jhumkas to complete the look and team up the whole look together. But the dress and the makeup aren't inspired by Anushka Sharma at all. And with that, I'm done with this hairstyle, which looks really simple and sleek bun with lots of flowers, perfect for Indian tradition. Do let me know your point of view about this hairstyle in the comment section, and this has become my personal favorite till now, and I loved it totally.
Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control.
So that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys liked this tutorial and it was really easy. So if you really did like it, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a very big thumbs up and comment down below and share it with your friends if possible, and I'll be seeing you with other tutorial very soon. Till then, take care and I love you all. Bye bye.